Now, there are many marketing techniques we have seen in the past, such as running promotions just for Halloween, maybe a discount. But here is one unique one that you can use. You can use a daily countdown flash sale for your customers. What I mean is that every day you'll put up certain products for sale at a discounted price. Now, this discount or this offers will only be available for a day. The next day there will be some different products in the offer. Alright, so that's how a daily countdown flash sale works. Now, this is actually an innovative idea that I picked up from one website I saw that runs business internationally. And I thought this is a great way to excite your customers. Let's say a customer comes to your site and sees that there are certain products in discount. He might be excited that, okay, I might find some product that I want in discount. Even if he doesn't find it today, you always have the option that there is going to be more discounts tomorrow. So a customer might just be excited and come back tomorrow just to see if he finds something he wants at a discounted price. And you can make this flash sale offer even better by adding previews to what products will be on discount tomorrow, but not telling them how much discount that will be. Now, this will be an extra bit of suspense for people, and they'll be able to remember your deal. They'll be able to remember that there is this site where there is a flash sale, and tomorrow there is a product up for sale that I want. So I gotta see what's the discount. So he might come back tomorrow just to get that discount. Now, this is a brilliant idea. Now, I got this idea from a website called AliExpress that runs flash sales throughout the year. Now, I thought that's nothing special, as that's happening throughout the year. But you could make it special for your site by giving your customers a daily flash sale only during special occasions such as Halloween, or maybe on Black Friday that's coming up pretty soon. So I thought this is actually a great marketing technique that you could apply from this Halloween. So that's it for this marketing technique. Now let's look at the next marketing technique, which is more actionable, and here you have to do some activities to your website to make it better. So let us look at that.